Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the custom code element. The custom code element allows you to inject your own HTML, CSS into the page. You can use this feature to embed third-party code or customize even further the options that Zeno offers. I will insert a custom code element into the page. Let's walk through the options the custom code element has to offer. First, we have HTML or liquid. You can add HTML code here. For example, we have a p tag here. Let me add a h1 tag. And you see the HTML display correctly. You can also use liquid template engine for dynamic content. Next, we have CSS. The CSS code here is only applied for the HTML code here. So if I add h1 to color to red, it only affects the code inside the custom code element. You can add some padding or margin. Go to the Advanced tab. You can enable or disable visibility on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity, set a background color, or a background image. You can enable border, box shadow, and even animations. Here I have a widget for a clock from 24 time zones website, and let me copy the widget code. Then I can insert into the page using the custom code element. Let me save and publish. And you can see the widget is embedded in the live page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.